long, long ago, before cities, farms, or even fire, humans roamed the wild. They lived close to nature, searching forests and rivers for anything edible, wild berries, crunchy nuts, and roots hidden beneath the earth. With stone knives and handmade spears, they hunted small animals, working together to survive.
There were no recipes, no menus, just instinct and survival. Every meal was earned through effort and shared beneath the stars. Then came a quiet revolution. People began to settle, and for the first time, they grew their own food. Wheat, barley, rice, tiny seeds that changed everything. The age of farming had begun. Soon villages formed, people built homes from earth and stone, gathered together in communities and shared harvests. Grains were ground into flour by hand, meals were cooked over open fires in clay pots. It wasn't just about eating, it was about coming together.
As civilizations rose, so did the art of feasting. In ancient Rome, food was abundant and colorful: fruits, fish, fresh bread. People reclined at long tables in grand halls, served by bustling kitchens filled with sizzling meats and bubbling stews. Eating had become a celebration, a sign of culture, status, and flavor. Centuries passed, and on European farms, families returned to the earth. Clad in simple clothes, they worked the land with oxen, harvested by hand, and sold their goods at small village markets. Life was humble, but the food was real: fresh vegetables, warm grains, and dairy straight from the source. Mealtime was honest, wholesome, and earned under the open sky. Then came a change. Markets grew larger, cities louder. Horse-drawn carts delivered bread and meat, while new tools made cooking quicker. Women in aprons stirred stews beside wooden counters, while children helped prepare meals the old-fashioned way. It was the beginning of something new, the blending of tradition and technology. By the early 1900s, homes grew warmer and more connected. Cast iron stoves and wood-burning ovens brought comfort indoors. Families cooked hearty meals: stews, breads, roasted meats, all made by hand, with love and time. The kitchen had become the heart of the home.
Then everything sped up. Shiny new appliances, electric ovens, and frozen dinners changed the game. In pastel-colored kitchens, meals were quicker, recipes simpler, and shelves filled with boxes and cans. Food was now about efficiency, and the future felt exciting: clean, colorful, and convenient. Soon food moved even faster. Bright lights, red trays, and quick service took over as fast food restaurants popped up everywhere. Burgers, fries, and sodas became everyday meals. People ate on the go, and the dinner table became optional. Food had gone public, playful, and fast. And now, here we are, phones in hand, we scroll through recipes, snap photos of smoothie bowls, and order dinner without ever leaving the couch. Our meals are shared on social media before they're even eaten. Apps guide our choices, and health meets style in every colorful bite. From ancient foragers to digital diners, our journey with food is still evolving. And the next bite, it just might come from the future. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of human food, from foraging in the wild to snapping photos of smoothie bowls, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And hey, the story doesn't end here. We've got more amazing animated stories coming your way, so hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and join us as we explore the past, present, and future one bite at a time. Thanks for watching.